Hello, we are going live today, a little earlier today, 3:05 p.m. Eastern Time. Let me know in the comment, are you here? I know it's too early, but we have to get it done because we have a lot to do, okay? Gonna talk about this case that was dismissed today. Kind of such a relief, right? Not what we wanted, but we got something out of it. At least this is a relief for our client. We're going to talk about it. Let me know in the comments, where are you, what you're doing, so we can get started. Let me know in the comment section below. Let me know in the comments so we can get started. Where are you? I'm already home. Good day, Austin Bethel. How are you? How you feeling today? How are you? Yes, we got 4 people in this live session. New York, Tower, New York, how are you? How you feeling today? It's 3:06 p.m. Eastern Time. 5 people in this live session. Please go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't done so, please go ahead and share, then like, okay, so we can get started. I'm going to talk a little bit about today. Oh, you're fine. That's good. Yeah, at least we're alive. That's good, right? Oh, you're good. That's good, Tower. That's good. We're alive. That's what matters. Okay. So I'm going to talk a little bit about this case. So what's going on is this client got in the U.S. with F1 student visa. Okay. In the year the early 2000, maybe 2002, 2003, but early 2000. So she gets here. She goes to school. At some point, she left the country. And she came back, right? Because she was still on a valid student visa. Then, when her visa was up, she applied for asylum, but she applied for asylum late in 2019, like 14 years later, right? She applies for asylum. And she went to the interview. It didn't work out. You know, if you apply for asylum late, you have to have a reason as to why. 2 things: extraordinary circumstances, which prevented you from applying early, or change of circumstances in your conditions or in the country where you fear persecution from. So if we're talking about extraordinary circumstances, it has to be something extreme. Sometimes it might be a death of a relative, qualifying relative. Sometimes it might be serious illness of yourself or a qualifying relative. When we talk about qualifying relative, we're talking about spouse, parent, or child. That's it. That prevented you from applying earlier. And sometimes we have some type of accident. Some people get into severe accidents, like a car accident. It gets them paralyzed, so they can't physically really stand up and apply. So that's why they're applying late. Those are extraordinary circumstances. Really, it has to shock your mind, or your conscience. Basically, it has to be so extreme to qualify for extraordinary circumstances for somebody to apply late. Or maybe the person was under a lawful status, and then they filed for maybe marriage. It didn't work out. Now they find themselves without document. Then they apply for asylum. But if you look at the time frame, even if it's late, but there's no lack of status per se, that can qualify too as extraordinary circumstances. And then the other thing will be change of circumstance. Change of circumstance sometimes is pretty much simple, like change of political regime in your country if you're applying based on political asylum, right? Or change in your own circumstances that will alternatively really change the result. So if you don't have those 2 things to set up your asylum claim late, just know that the asylum is going to be referred to the court. So that's why my client's asylum was referred to immigration court. So we tried to apply for cancellation of removal, but it was really a weak case because, in order to win cancellation, 4 things: 10 years physical continuous residency, no criminal record, good moral and character, then you have to show extreme and unusual hardship to the qualifying relative. That's a very high standard, okay? So this person did not have that. They have three things, but not the other one. We try administrative closure, but I oppose it because in order to get administrative closure, the judge can decide on it. But if I oppose it and the argument is so strong, then the judge is just gonna deny it. So pretty much we were left with one option only, to take the dismissal, and we took it because giving the set of facts in that case, we had to, because otherwise the person is going to have a order of removal, go to appeal, and appeal is going to be dismissed. Then that's how you get stuck in the system and try to reopen, file those motions with BIA, which takes forever, right? So it's better to just take pretty much dismissal at this point. And the reason, one of the other reason we took it, it's because while the child is going to turn 21 anytime soon. So I know almost 3 years from now, she's going to turn 21, and not to mention the work permit is still valid. So my client can still work while she's waiting for the child to turn 21. That's another reason we took the dismissal. So we have to look at the set of facts, circumstances, your own set of facts before we agree, because dismissal is like you got nothing left, right? So the good news is you're no longer in removal. Bad news is you no longer have anything. Once the work permit expires, that's it. And sometimes you might reapply for asylum if there is another change of circumstances, which is difficult because remember, the asylum at this point is going to go to the vetting center, and that's a long story. So in short, we took that, pretty much we took it. We took that dismissal. It's a win in a way for our client, no longer to be worrying about removal, then manage this time until the child turned 21 in order to adjust status. Yes, that's it. So if you have a question, please put it in the comments, okay? 7 people in this live session. Please like and share. Please like and share. Share, then like. Yeah, you can see I'm home right now, right? Because, you know, we did it. That's it. Finito. This is a different setting. Anyway, anybody has a question? If you have a question, just please put it in the comment, okay? So we can answer your questions. Let me change. Yes. If you have a question, please put it in the comment, okay? 10 people in the live session. Please go ahead and like and share. The question is, should I take dismissal? It just depends. If you have a weak case and you cannot convince the court to administratively close your case, it's better to take a dismissal so you can avoid this appeal, which takes forever, and you can avoid a lot of things, especially if you have somebody who's going to apply for you within those 2 to 3 years, okay? So, or you can be on appeal, and once you lose appeal, then what's going to happen, reopening the case, joining us to reopen the case, it's not a joke, my friend. It's not a joke. Even when ICE agrees, when the case is already at BIA, it's going to stay there. People have been waiting forever. Like some people have been waiting for 4 years to get that order of that case to be dismissed. So, yeah. It just depends, okay? It just depends on case-by-case basis, set of facts, just case-by-case basis. That's it. It just depends on case-by-case basis. Anybody has a question, please put it in the comments so we can answer your questions. I know I should have been here at 6 p.m., but you know, yeah, today I decided to do it early. If you think about something else, just leave it in the comment. I'm just waiting for a couple questions. Couple questions. Waiting for a couple questions. If you have a question, my friend, just put it in the comment, okay? If you have a question, put it in the comments so we can answer your question. You have a question, put it in the comments so we can answer your questions. Okay? Put it in the comment, we can answer your questions. Okay, let me see if you have questions. Questions. Okay, this is the question. First of all, 10 people in the house, please go ahead and share and like. And we have a question here for PA Trick. Can you please describe consular non-reviewability and what circumstances are exceptions? So the notion of consular non-reviewability simply means that once a consulate officer has given their decision on a visa, you cannot review it. However, there's a case law that pretty much changed that. I've talked about it on this channel. I can't remember the exact name of that plaintiff that went to court, to federal court, to overturn that decision. So now it's like if the consulate give you a decision or deny a visa, they have to give you a reason why. They can't just deny it. They have to give you reasons and elaborate on it. And that way, if a waiver is warranted under your circumstances, yes, you can apply for a waiver and you can review the decision, can go to federal court so they can review the decision of the consulate. So that notion of consular non-reviewability is no longer valid because of that case law. So in other words, if you have a decision from a consulate, really you have to see why they deny it. They have to give you a specific reason as to why it was denied. Okay? Trick, I hope we answer your question. 12 people in the house. Hello, Sour Music TV. You are back. How's BIA going for you so far? I'm glad you're here. Sour Music TV, please go ahead and like and please go ahead and share my videos. Looks like you don't share, because we should have been at 12,000 subscribers already. And we're still here. We're missing 12 people. Sour Music TV. Can you share so we can get 12 people? PA Tweak. I hope we answer your question, okay? 12 people. No more with BIA. Oh, you are no more with BIA. Good news. So did you file with USCIS now? Did you already file with USCIS? That's good news. You're welcome. You're welcome, PIA Tweak. You're welcome. Hello, Charles Amos. How are you? Please go ahead and share and like. Alicia Dixon. Can I joint sponsor use a household member to help with income requirement? That's a tricky question. I don't think so. Because I think what you have to do, the second, so Basically, the way it works, right? If the person has a sponsor, the petitioner, right? The petitioner income is not enough. That's why they get a joint sponsor. So they can get a joint sponsor, or they can get two joint sponsors to allow the income to be enough. But I don't think so. As far as I'm concerned, I don't think so that a joint sponsor can use a household member to help with the income. No, I don't think so. Unless the household member become a second joint sponsor. Yeah, so I don't think so, Alicia Dixon. Okay. Angel Sanchez. Okay, I'm in Venezuela. My passport is expired. I'm leaving from Colombia. Can I enter to US with parole? Are you talking about humanitarian parole? Yeah, you're gonna have to apply for humanitarian parole. Somebody has to apply for you for humanitarian parole, unless you're coming like to ask for asylum at the border, and then they're gonna do the requirement for asylum at the border and then parole you in. But you have to ask for humanitarian parole. Yeah. So Sanchez, you're gonna have to apply for humanitarian parole. Actually, somebody has to apply for you. Eritier. Hi, Eritier, how are you? Oh, you are a TPS holder. You are from Cameroon. Oh, Sour Music TV, you're from Cameroon? From Cameroon. Oh, you need a consultation. Sour Music TV, you're so funny. How many times I have given you the consultation link and you don't want to schedule it? You need to schedule it. Let me give you a consultation link one more time. Okay? Yeah, you need to schedule a consultation because it's gonna help you to know than to just be here on live session without knowing what to do. Let me give you the consultation link, Sawa. Okay. I'm putting the consultation link here, okay? Alicia, oh, you're welcome, Alicia. You're welcome. You're welcome. Anybody else has a question, please put it in the comment. Beatrix says, thank you. You're welcome. 11 people in the house. Yes, please put it in the comment. Please put your questions in the comment and please like and share. We're trying to get 12,000 subscribers. Okay, we have 12 people left. Sour Music TV, you need to share my video so we can have those 12 people. Come on, you can do it. Anybody else has a question? Anybody else has a question? 10 people in the house. Anybody else has a question? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a couple minutes so we can get some more questions. I know this live is early, but I had to do it earlier because, you know, I have something else to do after that. So if you have a question, just let me know, okay? I don't think anybody else has a question. I'm just gonna wait or hang up. Angel Sanchez, I hope we answer your question, right? So yeah, if you are in Colombia right now, you're gonna have to yeah, so Angel Sanchez, I hope we answer your question. Oh, she helped you. Okay, your cousin's gonna help you. Okay, that's fine. But you can still share my videos, okay? So we can get to 12,000 subscribers, okay? We got 12 people left. Angel Sanchez, I hope we answer your question. So if you are in Colombia, you're talking about Colombia, a country, right? Somebody has to apply for you for humanitarian parole. If you're trying to come from the border to apply for asylum at the border, that's a different process. If you pass the credible fear of persecution, then the officer is going to parole you in, then they're going to send you to court to defend your case. But coming with humanitarian parole is the best option right now. But somebody has to apply for you. Oh, you are parole already. Okay, you are already in the U.S. Angel Sanchez, I don't understand your question. You're already in the U.S., but what happened? Your passport got expired. You have to renew it with the embassy. Your embassy in the U.S., you renew your passport. So you were paroled and then you left to go to Colombia? So now your passport has expired. You wonder if you can get inside. Now you're gonna have to renew your passport. I don't think at the border. I'm not sure, to be honest. I don't think if at the border. Oh, you are in Venezuela. Okay. Yeah, I don't understand your question. To be honest, I don't understand your question. To be honest, I don't understand your question, Angel Sanchez. Okay. If you need a consultation, just schedule it. All the links are in the description box. Anybody else has a question so we can hang up? Oh, your parole is approved. You are in Venezuela, your parole is approved. Can you enter the US? Yes, you can enter if your parole is approved. But your passport has expired. Okay. I believe what's gonna happen is can you renew your passport? If I were you, I'll try to renew your passport and then get in the US on parole. Oh, your passport has expired, but your parole has been approved. Okay. What are you gonna do? Well, try to renew your passport, okay? Yeah. And another thing is because if you try to board the airplane, you have to have a valid passport. Sometimes what you're gonna have to do is call the airlines and see if they can board you with parole, but I don't think so. But you can try. So yeah, if you can renew your passport, just renew it. Because I don't think you can board the airplane without a passport, a valid passport, unless there's some exceptions that I'm not aware of. You can try calling the airlines to find out. Because sometimes paroled people, they have some type of exceptions based on what's going on. Yeah, you can try to call DHS and the airlines to find out. Okay. Anybody else has a question? If you don't have a question, I guess that's it. We're 24 minutes, 36 seconds. You're welcome. You're welcome, Angel Sanchez. Yeah, try two things. Try to call DHS and the airlines to find out whether you can board with that passport. But as far as I'm concerned, I think that you need to renew your passport. So Anybody else has a question? Yeah, try with the airlines and see, because sometimes there's exceptions based on what's going on. If I have experience with consular processing, I have experience with suing the government in federal court. That's the experience I have to file mandamus lawsuit. That's the experience I have. Filing mandamus lawsuits, that's the experience I have. And then consular processing in terms of following up for the visa, okay? But if you're trying to get your decision review, is that what you're trying to do, to get the denial review? I haven't worked with denial review as far as consulate is concerned, but what I do really is fight, like sue the government here in federal court, right? I can sue the consulate in federal court for unreasonable delay, those writ of mandamus, but I haven't dealt with consular denial, not yet. But consular processing, yes. In general, yes. For the visa, yes. But getting the federal court to review, in case that it hasn't happened yet. Be a trick guy. Why are you worrying? It hasn't even happened yet. Why are you worrying? Do you think they're gonna deny your case? And why would they deny your case? If they deny your case, they're gonna give you a reason, right? If they deny your case, let's say because of inadmissibility issue, and if we have to file for a waiver, yes, I have experience with waivers. You can contact me. All the consultation links are in the description box below. Just know that if they deny your case, they're going to tell you why. And most of the time, they deny based on inadmissibility issues. And if there's inadmissibility issues, what's going to happen is the consulate is going to tell you to apply for a waiver. So if they tell you to apply for a waiver, yes, I have experience with waivers. So you can schedule a consultation in the description box. All the consultation links are in the description box. But the things hasn't happened. Why are you trying to be negative? Jesus, this guy's too. This is crazy. I've never seen somebody being so negative about their case. Don't try that. Be optimistic. Okay. Oh, how can I contact you again for advice? If you need a consultation, Angel Sanchez, all my consultation links they are in the description box. I have consultation link. You can get this one, but in the description box, I have all the consultation links, right? So you can schedule it if you need more about your immigration case. You can schedule it. Okay. In the meantime, please like and share. PA trick. You're so funny. I've never seen somebody who's so negative about their case. No, that's funny. Try to stay positive, okay? If they deny you a visa, they're going to tell you why. And if most of the time it's just the issues of inadmissibility, which requires waivers. And if you need a waiver, yes, I have experience. As a matter of fact, we just had one waiver approved on October. The last waiver we filed was approved on October 23rd. So I even made a video about it. So yeah, if you need a waiver, the consulate will let you know. Okay. This is fun. I've never seen somebody so negative about their own case. Anyway, so do you consult on Saturday? Sour Music TV. You just try to find the day that I'm not available. This is crazy. No, I don't work on Saturdays. I make videos on Saturday, but I don't work on Saturdays. Just schedule it when I have availability. You're just trying not to schedule. So this is crazy. Oh, you're welcome. PA Trick. You're welcome. You're welcome. Try to stay positive, okay? You're welcome. Sawa Music TV. No, I don't consult on Saturday. No. If you need a consultation, schedule it when I'm available. On Saturdays, that's when I have the time to make videos and to think about my client. I can't be working all day, all night. Jesus, this guy is crazy. Anyway, thank you very much for showing up. It was nice talking to you. Please like and share. If we have any other great news, I'll come back again tomorrow if we have a great news. If not, I'll try to come back again maybe Wednesday, okay? In the meantime, all the links are in the description box. Sawa Music TV, you need to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all that. Thank you very much, Angel Sanchez. Okay, if you need a consultation, schedule it. Okay, thank you very much. Please like, please share. Angel Sanchez, please share my videos. Okay, thank you very much for showing up. Until next time, bye bye.